Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change user account picture in Mac. Click Apple icon, System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes. Type password. Click Unlock. Click your account picture. Click Defaults. User account picture is changed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.